successfully ace your dream data scientist job. Let's explore how to approach and solve a data scientist interview in 2025, and I'll share all the ups and downs along the way, along that journey. The field of data science is booming, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. With the massive amounts of data being generated every day, companies are scrambling to make sense of it all, and that's where data scientists come in. As a data scientist, you'll have the opportunity to work on complex problems, drive business decisions, and make a real impact. And that's exactly why I'm so passionate about helping you secure your dream data scientist job. The reality is, the data science job market is getting increasingly competitive. With more and more people entering the field, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. I've seen so many aspiring data scientists struggle to get hired, and it's often not because they lack the skills or knowledge. It's because they don't know how to navigate the job market, and they don't have a clear strategy in place. One of the biggest challenges I've seen is the lack of practical experience. Many aspiring data scientists have a degree in a related field, but they haven't had the opportunity to work on real-world projects. This makes it tough for them to build a strong portfolio, and that's a major red flag for potential employers. Another challenge is the sheer amount of information out there. With new technologies and techniques emerging all the time, it can be overwhelming to know where to focus your efforts. And let's be real, it's easy to get bogged down in the details and lose sight of the bigger picture. And finally, there's the interview process itself. I've seen so many talented data scientists struggle with the interview process, and it's often because they're not prepared for the types of questions they'll be asked. It's not just about knowing the right algorithms or technologies, it's about being able to communicate complex ideas in a clear and concise way. So, what can you do to overcome these challenges? Well, the first step is to build a strong portfolio. This doesn't have to be a lengthy, complex project. It can be as simple as analyzing a public dataset or building a predictive model. The key is to show potential employers that you can apply your skills to real-world problems. Another key strategy is to network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other data scientists on LinkedIn. This will not only help you stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies, but it will also give you access to valuable resources and advice from people who have been in your shoes. In addition to building your portfolio and networking, it's essential to master the relevant skills. This means staying up to date on the latest technologies and techniques, and being able to apply them to real-world problems. It also means being able to communicate complex ideas in a clear and concise way. And finally, it's all about mindset. You need to be willing to learn, adapt, and take risks. You need to be open to feedback and willing to pivot when things aren't working out. And most importantly, you need to believe in yourself and your abilities. Now, I want to share with you a crucial insight that can significantly increase your chances of landing a data scientist position. It's something that I've learned through my own experiences, and it's something that I wish I had known earlier in my career. And that is, it's all about the story you tell. You see, when you're applying for a data scientist position, you're not just applying for a job, you're selling yourself as a solution to a problem. You need to be able to tell a compelling story about how you can help the company achieve its goals, and how you can make a real impact. When you're telling this story, you need to focus on the benefits you can bring to the company, rather than just listing off your skills and qualifications. You need to be able to show how your skills and experience can be applied to real-world problems, and how you can drive business results. And most importantly, you need to be able to communicate this story in a clear and concise way. This is what sets apart the top candidates from the rest, and it's what can make all the difference in landing your dream data scientist job. So to recap, we've covered some of the common challenges aspiring data scientists face, and we've discussed some actionable tips and strategies for overcoming these challenges. We've talked about the importance of building a strong portfolio, networking, mastering relevant skills, and adopting the right mindset. And we've covered the crucial insight about the story you tell and how it can increase your chances of landing a data scientist position. Master the right skills. Employers are looking for candidates who are proficient in the most in-demand tools and technologies. Based on industry trends, here are some must-have skills for data science roles in 2025. Programming: Python, Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and SQL. Machine learning and deep learning, supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, NLP, and computer vision. Cloud platforms: AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Big data and data engineering, Spark, Hadoop, and databases. Communication and storytelling, ability to present data-driven insights effectively. Prepare for interviews the right way. Data science interviews are tough. They usually involve multiple rounds, including technical screening, ML design tasks, machine learning concepts, understanding model evaluation, feature engineering, and trade-offs between algorithms. Case studies and business problems, applying data science to solve real business challenges. Behavioral and communication skills, explaining complex concepts to non-technical stakeholders. The best way to prepare is by practicing real interview questions and learning how to structure your answers clearly. Typical requirements: 6+ years of experience in data science, machine learning, and production. Proficiency in at least 2 of the following: NLP, computer vision, time series, recommendation systems, and ML engineering. Experience with AWS, GCP, or Azure. Expertise in deep learning, strong programming skills, preferably in Python. Excellent leadership and team management abilities to make tasks done. B2+ level English, both written and spoken. If you're applying for an entry-level role, don't be discouraged by these requirements. Many companies also offer junior data science positions where you can build experience and grow into a senior role over time. If you're struggling with your job application, I want to hear from you. Please leave a comment below about your experiences and what's been challenging for you. And if you want to learn more about preparing for data science interviews, be sure to check out my future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.